Respected Chairperson, Co-Chairperson, ladies and gentlemen, today I don't have words, rather I don't have sufficient words to thank Sir Dr. Peter. What all I can say is, yesterday he taught us about the revolutionary thoughts and I applied within 24 hours and I am here today before you. It's the holistic approach of management I am going to present on, taking an example of ITP, that is idiopathic thrombocytopenic purpura, as an example. Presented by myself and the case whom I treated, Ajay. Thrombocytopenia, this is the disease in which the platelet count goes down below normal to the extent where blood clotting becomes difficult and bleeding is unmanageable. An innocent child becomes all-time fear for the parents, and if the patient is educated one, the life is threatening to him every time for unforeseen situations of bleeding by accidents or other mishaps. This is all about the blood cell count. I'll skip the slides. The causes of ITP, either the lower production of the blood platelets or the breakdown in different reasons. The case presented here is 22 years young man, Ajay, who is the potential intelligent engineer but belonging to a very subnormal financial economically family. The concept and strategies behind this treatment and presentation over here is: health is our birthright and healing is the law of nature. Then why are we suffering? Due to ignorance and lack of knowledge. What are the knowledge points required are: according to Indian Vedas, our body has special energy centers, the 7 chakras that keep vibrating at specific frequencies, drawing the energy from cosmos and keep us alive in that rhythm. All these centers have their own physical, physiological, emotional and spiritual values. The knowledge that life is a causality, not the causality. Everything here with us, or what we are here and how and why we are here, is the cause and effect. Maybe today, yesterday, or in distant past. The resistance and pursuance lead to the otherwise avoidable damage at the level of body, mind and emotion. If you resist the causes, you don't understand them, and the effect of causes you resist out of ignorance, that will cause the further damage and we suffer. This then impairs the healing at macro and macro trauma both. Not only this, but all-time fear makes it more prone to avoidable accidents and to suffer. The right knowledge and its practice help you get through. Management. What is required? The right understanding, the positive attitude and multidimensional approach. Categorize the patient. Some perceive more stress at physical body while others perceive at emotional level of their pain. So deal simultaneously both the physical dimension and emotional dimension. The major tools I applied: Reiki healing, Noni, a nutritional supplement, pranayama and counseling. Though we don't have the modes and medium to explain the how energy works, what I can state is that the science and spirituality have a borderline difference. The need is to identify the point of transition. These 4 tools work together against the negative forces acting on the health of an individual. Which of the 4 will work as prime with others as supportive tools depends upon the instant state of the person and the level of the sickness. Reiki helps at the level of body, mind and emotions. Pranayama regenerates the total energy system of body and releases out the toxins and balances with the pH of body fluids. Counseling helps to understand the meaning and purpose of life, and Noni works at cellular level. Now the landmarks in the history of illness. I really thank Ajay, who cooperated each and every minute. He kept in touch with me to show and express his all emotions, positive and negative. And he prepared his history in more than 50 slides. I have just brought a few here to save the time. I escaped this, but the story starts from 2002. For 2 years, till 2004, he kept on roaming between the local doctors, all homeopathists, dermatologists, allopathics, and everyone. Nobody advised him to go for blood electrolyte investigation. In 2004, one doctor, homeopath, when he treated, he also treated for 3 months, and then he said, you go for